Hello, we are solving a West African Senior Secondary School Certificate Examination. So WASSCE June 2022 Core Mathematics Paper 1, questions 11 through question 20 in this video. The first question here, question 11, three boys shared 10,500 in the ratio 6:7:8. Find the largest share. So this is the largest ratio that will correspond to the largest share. So largest share will be equal to largest ratio 8 over total ratio 6 plus 7 plus 8 times the amount shared, which is 10,500. So this will give you 8 over 21 times 10,500. And 21 will go here. How many times? 40 times. This one will go here. That is 5 times. So 8 times 5 will be 4,000. So this will be $4,000. 4,000. So the correct answer is option A. The length of a piece of stick is 1.75 meters. A boy measured it as 1.80 meters. Find the percentage error. So percentage error will be equal to error over actual length times 100%. So the error here will be the difference, which is 1.80 minus 1.75 over the actual length. So the actual length is 1.75 meters. 1.75 meters times 100%. Okay, so this will give us 0.05 over 1.75 times 100%. So that will give us 1 over 35 times 100%. So that will give us 20 over 7 times 100%. So 20 over 7%. 20 over 7%. And this is equal to 2 whole numbers 6 over 7%. The correct answer is B. If 5x plus 3y is equal to 4 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 2, what is the value of 25x squared minus 9y squared? So first of all, write this as difference of 2 squared. So 25x squared is same as 5x all squared minus 3y all squared. So difference of 2 squared, 5x minus 3y, then we have 5x plus 3y. Now from the question, 5x minus 3y is equal to 2. Then 5x plus 3y is equal to 4. So that will give us 8. The correct answer is option D. Mary has $3 more than Ben. So if this is Mary and she has X dollars, then Ben will has $3 less. Then Mary has $5 less than Jane. So Jane will be having $5 more than Mary. So 5x plus 5. So we need to find Jane and Ben all together. So x minus 3 plus x plus 5. And that will give us 2x plus 2. So 2x plus 2. Consider the statements B. Stephen is intelligent. Q. Stephen is good at mathematics. If P implies Q, which of the following is a valid conclusion? P implies Q is equivalent to negation of Q implies negation of P. So negation of Q means Stephen is not good at mathematics. Not good. The negation of P means Stephen is not intelligent. So negation of Q implies negation of P means if Stephen is not good at mathematics, then Stephen is not intelligent. So the correct answer is D. What value of P will make x squared minus 4x plus P a perfect square? So we have x squared minus 4x. What should we add to it so that it will be a perfect square? So we need to add half of the coefficient of x. When x squared has a coefficient of 1, we add half of the coefficient of x squared to both sides. So what we are going to do now, this is just an expression, so we will add half the coefficient of 4, which is negative 4, half of negative 4, half of negative 4, half of negative 4, all squared. So half times negative 4 all squared. So x squared minus 4x. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 all squared. So this will give us x squared minus 4x plus 4. So when you factor this, you get x minus 2 all squared. So what we added to it is positive 4, which is C. So this is what we call a perfect square. We have to find the value of x such that 1 over x plus 4 over 3x minus 5 over 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 over x plus 4 over 3x minus 5 over 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you can decide to also find the LCM and simplify the numerator, then equate the numerator to 0 to solve for x. You get the same answer as this. So let's multiply everything by 6x. 6x times 1 over x plus 6x times 4 over 3x minus 6x times 5 over 6x, then plus 1 times 6x, which is 6x, is equal to 0 times 6x, which is 0. So this will cancel this 6 times, this will cancel this 2 times, this will go here once. So we will get 6 plus 2 times 4 is 8 minus 5 plus 6x is equal to 0. 6 minus 5 is 1 plus 8 is 9. So we have 9 plus 6x equals 0. 6x will be equal to 0 minus 9x, which is this. 6x is equal to 0 minus 9, not x, not 9x. So dividing both sides by 6, we have x to be equal to 3 here, 2, 3 here, 3. Negative 3 over 2. So the correct answer is C. Make T the subject of K equal M equal T minus P over R, all square root. So you have to first of all undo the M, which is multiplying the whole square root. So divide both sides by the M. Then we have K over M is equal to square root of T minus P over R. So we square both sides now to undo the square root. So we have K squared over M squared is equal to T minus P over R. Now let's multiply. Okay, let us multiply both sides by r. Then this will cancel this. So we are left with rk squared over m squared is equal to t minus p. So what we do is to add p to both sides. So we have p, okay, we have rk squared over m squared plus p is equal to t. You have to simplify further because we can't see this answer in the options. So we collect LCM on the left hand side. So m squared goes here 1 times rk squared. 1 goes here, m squared times p. So that will give us this. So this is equivalent to option B. In the diagram, the length of segment xy is equal to the length of line segment yz, and angle xyz is 130 degrees. Find the value of y. Y will be equal to the sum of this and this. So if we know this angle here, we just add it to 130. Now taking the triangle xyz, which is an isosceles triangle, the base angle should be equal. So the whole thing should be 180. Already we have 130. So it means we are left with 150. So 150, we are left with 50. Share 50 by 2 equally. 25. So it means y will be equal to 25 plus 130. And that will be equal to 155 degrees. We can also transfer the y here first. That will be equal to this. So 180 minus y, 180 minus y. Then add everything equal to 180. You get the same answer. An exterior angle of a regular polygon is 22.5 degrees. Find the number of sides. So exterior angle is equal to 360 over number of sides. So the exterior angle is given by 25, given as 25 is equal to 360 over n. 360 over n. So you can swap this and this. So this will come here, this will come here. It doesn't change anything. So n will be equal to 360 over 22.5. And that will give us 16. Thank you for watching up to this point.